can do this step as well. Hey my cuties, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos. I am Simply Pyara aka Ira Mishra. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my random Amazon haul. A few days back, there was this freedom sale on Amazon, so I got few stuff on discount from there. So yeah, it's a random haul which I found and which we need on a daily basis. So there is a lot of random stuff I have. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, starting with my first stuff, actually I wanted this product for a very long time. It's a mirror which you can use or you can take it with you like anywhere, and it is kind of really cute. I have this cute pokey mirror. So if you see this, it is so cute and it is travel friendly. If you see, you can detach this and this as well. So this is so good. You can take it out anywhere at any time and you can do your makeup and all the stuff. It is priced around rupees 250 to 300. I got it from the sale, freedom sale, so it was kind of like cheaper. I think 250. I will put the price somewhere over here, but it is really helpful, and this is the best seller on Amazon which I have bought it. So you must check it out. I will also give this product in description box, so you have to check it out. I am in love with this. If you want to grab a jewelry or quick jewelry stuff, so you can store it over here as well. You can throw in your bag at any point of time and it will not, it will not require much space. So yeah, this is really good. Next order is this cute little scarf. This is not a cotton scarf but a satin one. It is really soft. I will show you. Soft and durable. I think it is a satin scarf and really soft and smooth. I have few scarf, but they are all of cotton material. I wanted this for so long in satin material or a very soft material, silk or satin material. So yeah, this is, I think I love the situation over here because this floral pattern, this design of it is giving me a very, vacation vibes or a very dad girl vibe. So yeah, this is kind of really cute. You can you can use this, wrap this around your neck, or you can wrap this around your head to style it. Okay, it's kind of like this. See, I will just show I will just show you how it will look, because मेरे हेयर में ये टिकेगा ही नहीं शायद से, because I have a very small hair. I don't know. I'm just tying up like randomly, so don't judge me please. It's looking cute, by the way. If I have to style it properly, it will look cute. See this? Wow. I've tied it very randomly over my head, but it is looking cute. This is kind of giving me a Pinteresty vibe, and you can pair this with a very cute frock, very cute dress or vacation dress, or any cute top or kind of vacation outfit. You can do this step as well. It's also looking good. Yeah, you can style in your way randomly. It will really look good. Yeah. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna tell you that I am a coffee lover and I cannot live without coffee. I need a cup of coffee every single day, and actually it's not just coffee, but if you are drinking a coffee in a very classy and a very good coffee mug or a glass, it will really enhance that feeling or experience of having a coffee, which is why I bought this product from the Amazon. And it is a coffee, it's a coffee glass. So I'm just gonna show it, open it. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm very excited because I'm a big coffee lover, and मुझे एक ऐसा ग्लास और ऐसा टम्बलर और अ कॉफ़ी मग चाहिए था जिसमें मुझे एक क्लासिक फीलिंग आए कॉफ़ी पीने की. सो या आई एम जस्ट काइंड ऑफ थोड़ी सी अजीब हूँ मैं, बट या, you will get along with me. So I'm just gonna open this. Sketchy kahan hai yaar? So I am in love with this because it is giving me that, that classic vibe where I am gonna drink my favorite coffee with this in this cute classic coffee mug or glass, whatever we can say. And if you see, the straw is also made up of glass and it is not of plastic. And I love the situation over here because it has a wooden lid. So I am in love with this. I'm very excited. I can't wait to have my favorite coffee in this particular glass or mug, whatever. So yeah. Quick change. I have tied up my hair because इतना गर्म हो रहा है. I cannot turn off my fan. I cannot turn off my AC because इतना noise होता है कि पूछो ही मत. And I need a very very silent place to record myself. So yeah, I have kind of tied up my hair and it is kind of fine. So now moving to my next two products, I have this Minimalist ka niacinamide फेस सिरम ऑफ ओट एक्सट्रैक्ट. इट हैज़ अ ओट एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड मुझे भी ये काफ़ी सस्ते में मिल गया था बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रीडम सेल. ये एक्चुअली आई वॉज यूजिंग दिस फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड देन आई स्विच ऑन टू salicylic acid serum of this particular brand. That particular serum was specifically for blackheads, but this is for all the if you have if you are exposed to sun and dust on a daily basis, it will really work well. It clears and heals your skin. So I was using this for quite a long time and it really works well, wonder to my skin as compared to my salicylic acid minimalist serum, but I prefer this as compared to that particular serum. And the next I have this Lotus ka anti-aging transforming cream. Okay, it is a cream. And yeah, so because this I bought for my mom, so I am not sure I will use this because this anti-aging मेरी mom के लिए काफ़ी helpful रहने वाला है ये. And also I will give the link and the price of this particular product somewhere over here and link in description box. You can check it out.
One eternity later.
This is the actual product. If you see, this is anti-aging with SPF 25 and it will reduce your fine lines, wrinkles and make your skin look younger in just 7 days. Can you believe? In 7 days ये आपको younger बना देगा. My mom will give the final review of this, but yeah, I kind of really like the packaging, gold and purple or violet something. So my last order is this cute little jewelry box or trinket box. So I have got this from Amazon under ₹200. सिर्फ 200 के अंदर है ये. And this is kind of really cute. बहुत ही small है, compact है. It will not utilize your too much. It will not utilize too much of your space. And kind of really cute. इसको मैंने पहले से ही खोल के देख लिया है. And also I have filled my cute little jewelries in this trinket box. See this. Wow, I'm kind of really, I am in love with this. It is really looking so aesthetic and cool. So see, it has really good space behind this as well. You can store your necklace over here. मैंने ये इधर लगाया है because I couldn't find any space over here. So yeah, I have ordered some 2 jewelry from Amazon. उसका मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी एंड प्राइस भी इधर मैं पुट कर दूंगी. So 2 jewelries. One is this bracelet. ये ब्रेसलेट का पूरा सेट मैंने मंगाया है एंड इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ वेरी क्यूट. ये मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. एस्थेटिक एंड क्लासिक वाइब. This is one order and then second order is this ring. Okay, if you see, this is how it will look, the entire look. If I really suggest that if you have to have these kind of bracelets and this kind of rings in with you, and you can also pair this. It will really complete your look and really enhance your look to next level. So yeah, this is my jewelry. Yeah, so this is my cute little box. This is my cute little jewelry. And yeah, this is from the brand Shining Diva Fashion. So yeah, So I have received these two jewelry in these boxes. I have more jewelry जो ऐसे ही पड़ी है. This is just one product. I'm gonna order more of these jewelry because I have silver oxidized, I have traditional jewelries, I have many more. So I'm gonna store all of that in these kind of jewelry box. So yeah, so this is kind of amazing. Yeah, please check my description box. मैंने सारे ही product के link दे दूंगी मैं. And yeah, so that was it. That was my random Amazon finds. And if you like this video and if you found this video helpful, please do share it with your friends and family members. उनके लिए भी शायद ये helpful हो. And till then, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the update. I will come up with my next video really soon. Till then, stay safe and love your life.